sa ano, Ayala Mall Chris, mga adi. Abangan nyo yung vlog natin dito. So ngayon, pauwi na tayo. Ayala Mall Chris dito sa Pasig, Marcos Highway. Uwi tayo ng San Juan. Samahan nyo ako hanggang matapos yung video natin. Hindi na ako nakapag-video yung papunta tayo eh. Ang ride safe sa atin. Kalabas na tayo. Hindi na ako nakapag-video kanina yung papunta tayo. Kasi mainit eh. Nag-vlog pa ako. Nag-vlog na ako noon. Let's go. Makulimlim. Sana hindi pa ulan.
play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Bloody hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mile, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, your check is I'm chest, it's happening next year. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. I try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep on the scheme. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try to change, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can change lives, you create thoughts. Never waste time, you got one shot, you got one life. Better pop off, what do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss, just my life and free thoughts. I try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep on the scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try to change, you can say no, free me. I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, a disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic. You can't stop it, it's been chronic since I was a voice on erotic and chaotic. Go! To the last of the webs, I'm waking up to change the past. With all I'm watching, never foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break the last, then stop swimming. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat them. If you take off the gas, in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep my face, no way, you don't want it, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of bleeding my intensity. Come on, you can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you see greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim.
Wala gaano traffic, no? Nagano traffic kasi ano, linggo. Yung mga nagpapakarwash, no? Shortcut tayo eh, dumaan ako sa may ano, Utang C5, di ba lumito tayo? May ano, sa Aurora, Cubao. Tapos, tumagos tayo sa may Bonis Serrano. Yun, dire-diretso. Kasi pag nag-diretso Aurora, Cubao ako, mas traffic. Magutom na ako mga buddy. Ang almusal lang natin, Skyflake tsaka Milo. Anong oras na pala? oras na pala, 3:10. Eh, bumiyahe ako kanina, umalis ako 11. Hindi tayo kumakain, no? Dito, oh. Dito, oh. Yun, bukalik mo na ako, kakain. Ha? Parking muna ako. Vlog yan, no? Kain muna, ay parking muna ako. Dito na ako sa karinderya, ito. Latte ba? Doon dati bahay natin. Ayan o, sila ate o. Mga nagagandahan ano dito. Titinda. Doon na, kain muna, parking muna ako. Dami bumibili ng merienda oh. Hindi, tagal na to. Bahay na tayo. Tayo na sinampay ko. Okay, di ba? Ayos. Yung sinampay ko. Tayo na. Pagod. Oh, ayun si Kuya Mike oh. Kahit bahay natin. So ayun, dito na lang. Salamat sa pagantabay nyo. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Bye bye. Shout out kanyayo amin na po. Shout out po sa inyong lahat mga bali. Pagod magbiyahe. Buti walang traffic, linggo kasi. Alright.